Mastering lean culture. Waste and inefficiency thrive when root causes are ignored. How does one identify the process for recognizing and addressing the underlying root causes of waste and inefficiency, and in what ways are corrective solutions implemented and sustained over time to achieve operational excellence? Identifying and addressing the underlying root causes of waste and inefficiency is a crucial step in achieving operational excellence. This requires a systematic approach to recognize and tackle the sources of waste, rather than just treating the symptoms. Here's a detailed solution to identify and address the root causes of waste and inefficiency. 1. Define and map the process. Start by defining the process and identifying all the steps involved. Create a process map, also known as a value stream map, to visualize the entire process from start to finish. This will help identify areas of waste, inefficiency, and opportunities for improvement. 2. Conduct a root cause analysis, RCA. Perform an RCA to identify the underlying causes of waste and inefficiency. Use tools like the 5 whys or fishbone method to drill down to the root cause of the problem. This will help to identify the underlying causes, rather than just treating the symptoms. 3. Analyze data and metrics. Analyze data and metrics to identify trends, patterns, and correlations that can help pinpoint areas of waste and inefficiency. Use data analytics tools to visualize the data and identify areas for improvement. 4. Involve employees and stakeholders. Engage employees and stakeholders in the identification and analysis process. They often have first-hand knowledge of the process and can provide valuable insights into areas of waste and inefficiency. 5. Identify and categorize waste. Identify and categorize waste into its different types, such as transportation, inventory, motion, weighting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. This will help to prioritize areas for improvement. 6. Develop corrective solutions. Develop corrective solutions to address the root causes of waste and inefficiency. These solutions should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Assign ownership and accountability to specific individuals or teams to implement and monitor the corrective solutions. 7. Implement corrective solutions. Implement the corrective solutions and monitor their effectiveness. Use iterative and incremental approaches, such as agile methodologies, to implement and refine the solutions. 8. Monitor and evaluate. Monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of the corrective solutions over time. Use data and metrics to track progress, identify areas for further improvement, and refine the solutions as needed. 9. Sustain improvements. Sustain improvements over time by institutionalizing the corrective solutions, training employees, and incorporating them into standard operating procedures. Use recognition and reward systems to encourage and reinforce desired behaviors. 10. Continuously improve. Continuously improve the process by repeating the cycle of identifying and addressing waste and inefficiency. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement, where employees are empowered to identify areas for improvement and implement corrective solutions. To ensure sustained operational excellence, consider the following strategies. Establish a culture of continuous improvement. Foster a culture where employees are encouraged to identify areas for improvement and implement corrective solutions. Institutionalize best practices. Document and institutionalize best practices and corrective solutions to ensure they become standard operating procedures. Provide training and development. Provide training and development opportunities to equip employees with the skills and knowledge needed to identify and address waste and inefficiency. Recognize and reward. Recognize and reward employees for their contributions to identifying and addressing waste and inefficiency. Monitor and evaluate. Continuously monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of corrective solutions and refine them as needed. By following these steps, organizations can identify and address the underlying root causes of waste and inefficiency, implement corrective solutions, and sustain improvements over time to achieve operational excellence.